If it is labeled as bourbon, a whiskey may be made where? Anywhere in the world, anywhere in the US, anywhere in the southern US, or it must be made in Kentucky.
Okay, so we have here Bartek, Shirley, Michelle, all saying Kentucky. We have Kelly, Jonah, and Alex saying the U.S.
All right, well, Kelly, Jonah, and Alex have it right. Anywhere in the US, so long as it meets some other requirements. So that said, y'all that were saying Kentucky, there's a reason you're thinking Kentucky. The vast majority of bourbon is indeed made in Kentucky. The statistic is something staggering. I think in 2017, there were more barrels of bourbon in Kentucky than there were people in Kentucky. So there you go. All right, so bourbon has rules to it. It must be made from a mash bill that is dominated by corn. How much corn is required? 50, 51, 60, or 65%?
Okay, here we have consensus. Bartek, Kelly, Jonah, Alex, and Michelle all saying 51%.
Y'all are correct. Bourbon gets the butterscotch flavor from corn. So, all right. Handful of next questions are all about bourbon, in case you couldn't tell. But bourbon must be aged in new oak. The barrel and the aging process can create up to how much of the bourbon's final flavor? 30 to 40%, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, or 60 to 70%?
All right, again, everyone on the consensus train, 60 to 70% is the preferred answer.
That is absolutely correct. So, aside from the grain and the yeast characteristics, the majority of the flavors associated with bourbon come from the barrel.